Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to send money on PayPal using the friends and family option. This method allows you to send and receive money without any fees. So let's get started. The first thing that we are going to do is to open the PayPal app on your smartphone. I'm using an iPhone, but you can follow the same steps on an Android device. At the bottom left corner, now tap on the send button. And once that you're here, you're going to look for your contact. In this case, it's offering me to send a contact by its number, but I'm going to put and write my contact by his email, right? So I'm going to write his email down. And now, as you can see, I have his contact right here. So now I'm going to select on it. And now we have to enter the payment details. In this case, we have to enter the amount that you want to send. You can also add a message if you like. If needed, you can change the currency by tapping on the currency options and selecting your preferred currency. Once you have entered all the details, tap on the next button. In this case, I don't have a card linked, but once that you have linked your credit card, the only thing that you have to do is to choose between two options. One of them is called goods and services, and the other one is called friends and family. The former is used when you are paying for products and services, and it offers purchase protection. But the most important one is friends and family. You're going to use this one because this one allows you to send money without any fee. So now just press on continue and then your transaction will be completed. If you have any question or any suggestion, please leave it in the comments below. We hope this tutorial has helped you. If you want to see more videos like this one, we invite you to subscribe to our channel.